This video we'll be doing some repairs here on a E300 diesel, Mercedes Benz, and this is a turbo diesel, it's a 3 litre model, and we'll be doing a few repairs on it. And we'll be changing the bushings in the front here. So the pole arm out there. Lock her in. And on this model, we got the bush here. This bushing is wore. So we replaced that bushing there. So on both sides, so you have to take out the compressor spring anyway first, and the coil spring, and disconnect the bolt here. Disconnect the anti-roll link. And disconnect the shock. It's back there. First thing you do is compress the spring. Either coil clamps or a compression tool, whatever you have, and this will come out here. Disconnect the bolt here, or tap here, the hammer shock it, tap it out through. It's straightforward operation. So we have one already out here on the vise here. So, and after we do that, then we're going to do a transmission filter change in a later time, and maybe change the timing chain, and that'll be at a later time. So in the meantime, we're going to do the bushings and the service. That's our next operation. This video clip, we're just the bushing in the arm on the Mercedes E300 diesel. So we're going to pop her in the head, a bit of grease, and we'll pull her in with a puller. That's our next step. We attach the bushing. Long steel bar here, and a socket. We pull the bushing into the arm.